Tax deductions and credits for students. For students, there are several tax deductions and credits specifically designed to alleviate the financial burden of education. Tuition tax credit. The tuition tax credit is one of the most beneficial for students, allowing them to claim tuition fees paid for post-secondary education. This credit applies to full-time and part-time studies at a college, university, or other eligible post-secondary institutions in Canada. Additionally, students attending certain educational institutions outside Canada may also qualify for this credit. It's important to ensure that the institution provides a T2202 form, Tuition and Enrollment Certificate, which is required to claim this credit. Education and textbook tax credits. While the federal education and textbook tax credits were eliminated in 2017, some provinces and territories continue to offer these credits. These credits were designed to provide relief for education-related expenses beyond tuition fees. Students should check the specific tax benefits available in their province or territory, as eligibility and the nature of the credits can vary. Student loan interest deduction. Students who have taken out government-recognized student loans can claim a deduction for the interest paid on these loans. This deduction can be claimed for the current tax year and can also be carried forward for up to 5 years for any interest not claimed in the year it was paid. It's important to note that this deduction only applies to interest on loans from government programs and does not extend to personal loans or lines of credit. Moving expenses. Students who move at least 40 kilometers closer to their school for post-secondary studies may be eligible to deduct moving expenses. This can include transportation and storage costs, travel expenses, temporary living expenses, and costs associated with changing your address. To claim this deduction, the move must be made to attend a full-time program at a post-secondary level. GST-HST Credit. While not exclusively for students, the GST-HST Credit is a tax-free quarterly payment that helps individuals and families with low and modest incomes offset all or part of the GST or HST they pay. Eligibility for this credit is automatically determined by the CRA when you file your tax return, and it can provide additional financial relief for students. Canada Training Credit. Introduced in recent years, the Canada Training Credit aims to support Canadians, including students, in pursuing skills training and education. Eligible individuals accumulate $250 annually in a notional account, which can be applied towards tuition and other eligible fees for training and education. To qualify, individuals must meet certain age and income criteria.